houses sucks. We've got some major baseboard trim issues that we're trying to figure out. Let me show you. This is our dilemma, friends. We need to cut baseboard. We have 3 issues. This is the type of baseboard that we're using. Issue 1, we need to go around the corner. Issue 2, the floor is different heights, so this tile is higher than the LVP. Issue number 3, we need to end it here. So we need to come up with a nice way to end it here so it doesn't look funny. Excuse me, what are you doing? That's not meant for drawing on. I can find you some paper if you'd like to draw. Come along with me as we figure this out. Hopefully it will help you figure it out too. First, we're gonna try and do the corner, and I read a video that says we need 4 angles at 22.5 degrees. Lift up my thing here, and the miter saw, and it clicks in, and we're gonna cut a bunch of angles, and this side is gonna be 3/4 of an inch wide, so we want 4 in total for both corners. Okay, so I got 1 angle cut at 22 degrees, and I've measured 3/4 of an inch, and I'm gonna cut it this way, upside down. Okay, so I got 1 piece cut. I'll have to figure out the height thing after. This is how it should be, I think. So that's, we need 4 of those.
We need 4 of those little pieces, but I should be clear that you need 4 boards cut at 22.5 degrees per side.
We wanted to make sure that it goes past the tile here because we have to also cut these down so the height is the same. So this, we'll have to cut them down.
Put it upside down and then mark the line?
Yeah, right.
I didn't show this part, but I just trimmed that. Okay, I'm skipping over to issue 3 where we're gonna do the end board, and we're gonna cut the end piece on a 45-degree angle. Then we're gonna flip it over, cut another piece on 45 and add it on, you'll see. We did a lot of cuts before everything got right, so I hope this video saves you some of that hassle.
Turn it backwards and do it, and then you got a little piece here where you have a finished end.
So I'm gluing this piece on, and then I'm gonna tape it, and I kind of skipped over the next part, but after it's dried, I put in some wood filler and sanded it, and wood filler again and sanded it, and then I painted it. And then for the other corner piece, I did glue all of the pieces together and taped them so that it would dry. Some of them were cut down to allow for the height difference you can see there.
It's having a moment, don't mind that. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna get this piece in, and we're gonna get that piece in.
Got this little paint thing that I'm gonna put in here.
We got some issues here. We tried to adjust this one, and then it made it worse. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can run the multi-tool down here and make it work. This is frustrating. We're probably just gonna have to do several coats of filling this. Yeah. Using the premium molding and trim sealant.
This other side was a little bit more straightforward. It worked perfectly with all of the cut. There it is with the caulking, and then I painted everything. And this is everything painted and completely finished. It took us a while to actually complete all of this, but I'm so proud of how it turned out. I hope this video is helpful if you're trying to do baseboards around rounded corners or tricky flooring. Go ahead and ask any questions in the comments, like this video if you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And here's a couple more videos I'll link in the description that you might want to check out.